Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, specifically focusing on a platform many of you know and love, Spocket. We've all seen the success stories, turning your online store into a money-making machine with the convenience of dropshipping. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what happens after a customer clicks buy on your store? Who actually packs and ships those products? The answer, my friends, is you, well, kind of. As the store owner using Spocket, the fulfillment responsibility falls on your shoulders. But fear not. Fulfilling Spocket orders is a breeze, and today, we'll break down the entire process, step by step. From unpaid to shipped, the Spocket order journey. So, a customer places an order on your store for a product you sourced through Spocket. Fantastic. But before you celebrate, there's a crucial step, fulfilling the order on Spocket itself. Here's where the magic happens. Head over to your Spocket dashboard and navigate to the Orders tab. This is your central hub for everything order-related. You'll see a list of orders, and initially, they'll likely show as unpaid. This means the order hasn't been forwarded to the supplier yet. That's your cue to take action. Checkout time, funding the fulfillment. Next to each order, you'll see a glorious button, Checkout. Click it, and Spocket will calculate the total cost, including the product price from the supplier and any shipping fees. Here's your chance to review the order details, items, quantities, customer information, make sure everything looks good. You can even add any internal notes for the supplier if needed. Once you're happy, click Place Order. This sends the order to the Spocket supplier, and the fulfillment process officially begins. Keeping your customers informed, the power of tracking. Transparency is key in e-commerce, especially with dropshipping. Luckily, Spocket makes keeping your customers informed a breeze. Once the supplier ships the order, you'll receive notification and tracking information within Spocket. Don't keep this golden info to yourself. Head back to your original online store and update the order with the tracking details. This allows your customer to track their package and gives them peace of mind. Pro tip, packing a punch with branding. While you're not physically packing the orders yourself, you can still add a touch of your brand magic. Remember that Spocket-fulfilled orders often include a packing slip with the supplier's branding. Consider offering a branded insert card thanking your customer for their purchase and promoting your store. It's a small touch that can go a long way in building brand loyalty. Beyond the basics, advanced Spocket fulfillment. Now, you've got the core fulfillment process down pat. But Spocket offers a few additional features to streamline your workflow. Bulk actions. Need to fulfill a bunch of orders at once? No problem. Spocket allows you to select multiple orders and process them in bulk, saving you valuable time. Order filters. Have hundreds of orders? Use the filter function to sort by status, date, or customer name. This helps you prioritize and quickly locate specific orders. Inventory management. Keeping track of inventory can be tricky with dropshipping. Luckily, Spocket offers real-time inventory updates from your suppliers. This helps you avoid overselling and ensures a smooth customer experience. From frustration to fulfillment flow. Fulfilling Spocket orders might seem daunting at first, but with these steps and handy features, it becomes a manageable, even enjoyable, part of running your dropshipping business. Remember, a smooth fulfillment process translates to happy customers and a thriving store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.